I lived in Holland. A lady who worked in a local bakery gave me the recipe for this cake. I had no idea it was so easy and delicious. For this recipe, we are going to put 3 eggs in the blender. And this recipe is just a blender, right? Add 500 milliliters of milk, 200 milliliters of coconut milk, 395 grams of condensed milk. And we're going to hit it really well. And guys, you're already commenting to me from which city you're watching us. I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. I will also add 2 tablespoons of butter and half a cup of sugar. Hit again. Guys, this recipe looks wonderful. It's a super creamy and delicious cake. I'm sure if you do, you won't regret it. Now add a cup of wheat flour. And hit again. Guys, today I'm going to send a super special hug to Abigail from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. Now in a container, I will add butter. Grease with plenty of butter. Then sprinkle wheat flour on top. And add the dough for our cake. You can see that this recipe is super easy to make. Very practical. You do it in a few minutes. And bake at 356 degrees for about 50 minutes. Our recipe is now ready, and it turned out to be a wonderful cake. Guys, be sure that all of you who make it, and will super love it. Look at the wonder that remains. Very beautiful. So if you liked it already, share, and until next time. Goodbye.